Hi everybody, welcome back to the craft room. I'm just going to do a quick what did I get video from the Sizzix spring sale. I didn't get a great deal. There wasn't much on there that I wanted, and I'd already got some of the stuff in previous sales, so but there was a few bits. Starting with this 664436, and that's called Media Marks. So we get some of these out. I haven't even looked at them. So the bag split. Never mind. Oh, there's a lot more in there than I thought. Okay. So, yeah, just a few little squiggles and, oh, that's quite sweet. Oh, little raindrops, I like those as well. The shapes of those little circles. I like this big big squiggle there, that's quite good. I like all of them actually. Okay, so not a bad shout on that one. The next one is 665846, called Artsy Stems. So yeah, just well, it says on the tin, Artsy Stems. That would be quite nice. Black, all colourful, I think. Let me get the rest of them opened, and then you won't be able to see me do that. Okay, so the next one, 665436, and it's this leafy twigs. So it's just a background die. There's that one. This is Mixed Media 5 662688, and there's just a few corners in here. You don't have to use them as corners. So that's this one. Then we've got the flowers and those flowers. So I thought those were quite nice. 665211, which is bubbles. No, bubbling. So just, yeah, some bubbles. Background. Then we've got a Set Actor one, which oh my goodness, it's all very sealed up these days. I'm not sure on the new packaging actually. It's quite neat, but I end up cutting this out and popping it in there anyway. So, yeah. So these are just some more little bits and bobs. So a couple of those and some squiggly lines. So that one. 666689, painterly blooms and background. So I just this is just flowers really, but I thought if they come in that one, like they come in one die and you just run it through once and you're done. Although it looks like there's some other bits on there as well. Some separate flowers as well. Yep, separate ones. And some leaves. Some centres. Actually, I've got an idea for that. That might be the one I use next, actually. I've got this 665907, and it's a layered stamp. I probably won't use it layered. I might, but I just thought that was nice. It'd be a nice one to colour. And it's called Summer Bird. So yeah, I just thought it would be a nice one to do. I've got another layered stamp, which also won't probably use it as a layer, and that is 665906, called Floral Hedgehog. And I accidentally ordered two, like you do. Yeah, so I obviously popped that in my basket twice. So one of you might get a layered stamp soon. We'll do a little, we'll do a giveaway. We might do a giveaway if I ever get to 5,000 subscribers, which seems to be incredibly difficult at the minute. I get, a couple on, I get a couple off, and then I get one on, and then I get three off. That's just, I don't know. We might get there one day. Pretty close. So anyway, yes, so there might be a giveaway. I've got a couple of other bits that I can put in as well. 665269 is Mystical Seascape, and that's just dye. I thought that was quite nice. You don't have to just use it for the sea, but it will be good for a sea one. And the last one, 666643, which is called Cosmopolitan Farfallina. And I just thought that might be a nice colour. So that is, actually, that's stencils. I didn't read it. I didn't read what it was, so I don't use stencils very much, but we will give it a go because it's good to try things. So yeah. So yeah, stencil and these, but I thought it'd be really nice to colour. We could build that up quite, put more on, which would look quite nice. The butterflies are quite sweet as well, so that is that one. Farfallina. Who would have thought? Is that a flower, Farfallina? I have no idea. So there we have it. And that's it. That's my Sizzix spring sale haul. The gummy pan advent calendar, Easter/spring advent calendar is starting on the 24th. So there'll be 8 days of the advent calendar. So I hope you'll join me, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.